Hello guys, I'm Rudy and today I'm gonna teach you how to create suggestion form in RTM Form Builder. But first of all, you need to install RTM kit in your plugin RTM Form Builder, and after that you create page and edit with Elementor, and later on you go to Flexbox, create Flexbox and add element and RTM form, drag and drop. After that you edit form, you create new form. This is suggestion form, and thank you message confirmation check suggestion. This is your email. Put your email in here and copy and paste it also in here, and thank you message, you can write your thank you message in here. And after that, notification check here, suggestion, here copy paste your email and thank you admin note, and after that save and edit, and you will get a new screen. It goes to Elementor as well, and you will get a RTM Form Builder widget on the left, but you just need to wait till it's loading in this new page, and later on you just need to take the suggestion form from the ready template from the RTM kit. You just need to go to the icon, just click and drag and drop the import the suggestion form, but you just need to wait for loading, and later on you can adjust with your needs here. Wireframe, form, and suggestion form import. Here suggestion form. You just need to change later which your desired need for your project. This one, input text, subject, and save and close. Here's first name, last name, email, and question, subject, comment here, and send now. And after that, if you want to see the record, you can go to RTM kit and RTM builder, and you can go to form, and here's the suggestion form that you already created. Here's the export to CSV, the data. Here's the number of the entries. So if you want suggestion form, you can just go and install RTM Form Builder. Here's the thing, if you want to edit it, you can edit form again, edit content. You can just drag and drop another widget for your project, but you just need to wait for the loading first. Here's the widget we're gonna show up on the left, and you can just drag and drop it and adjust the size, the padding as well here. Yeah, thank you.